Yovheliym, the book of Jubilees, chapter 2, 1 through 16. And the angel of the presence spoke to Moshe according to the word of Yahuwah, saying, Write the complete history of creation, how in 6 days Yahuwah Elohim finished all his work and all that he created, and kept Sabbath on the seventh day, and sanctified it for all ages, and appointed it as a sign for all his works. For on the first day he created the heavens which are above, and the earth, and the water, and all the ruachos, which serve before him, the angels of the presence, and the angels of the sanctification, and the angels of the ruach of fire, and the angels of the ruach of winds, and the angels of the ruach of the clouds, and of darkness, and of snow, and of hail, and of hoarfrost, and of angels of the voices, and of the thunder, and of the lightning, and of the angels of the ruach of cold, and of heat, and of winter, and of spring, and of autumn, and of summer, and of all ruach of his creation, which are in the heavens and on earth. He created the abyss and the darkness, evening and night, and the light, dawn and day, which he has prepared in knowledge in his heart. And thereupon we saw his works, and praised him, and lauded before him on account of all his works. For 7 great works did he create on the first day. And on the second day he created the expanse in the midst of the waters, and the waters were divided on that day. Half of them went up above, and half of them went below, and the expanse that was in the midst over the face of the whole earth. And this was only the work Elohim created on the second day. On the third day he commanded the waters to pass from off the face of the whole earth into one place, and the dry land appeared. And the waters did so as he commanded them, and they retired from off the face of the earth into one place outside of this expanse. And the dry land appeared, and on that day he created for them all the seas according to their separate gathering places, and all the rivers, and the gathering places of the waters, and the mountains, and on all the earth, and of all the lakes, and all the dew of the earth, and the seed which is sown, and all sprouting things, and fruit-bearing trees, and trees of wood, and the garden of Eden, and all. These 4 great works Elohim created the third day. And on the fourth day he created the sun, and the moon, and the stars, and set them in the expanse of heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and the night, and divide the light from the darkness. And Elohim appointed the sun to be a great sign on the earth for days, and for Shabbats, and for months, and for feasts, and for years, and for Shabbats of years, and for jubilees, and for all the seasons of the year. And divides the light from the darkness, and for prosperity, that all things may prosper which shoot and grow on the earth. These 3 kinds he made on the 4th day. And on the 5th day he created great sea monsters in the depths of the waters, for these were the first things of flesh that were created by his hand, the fish and everything that moves in the water, and everything that flies, the birds and all their kind. And the sun rose above them to prosper them, and above everything that was on the earth, everything that shoots out of the earth, and all fruit-bearing trees, and all flesh. These 3 kinds he created on the 5th day. And on the 6th day he created all the animals of the earth, all the cattle, and everything that moves on the earth. And after all this he created man. A man and a woman created he them, and gave them dominion over all that is upon the earth, and in the seas, and over everything that flies, and over the beasts, and over the cattle, and over everything that moves on the earth, and over the whole earth. And over all this he gave him dominion. And these 4 kinds he created on the 6th day, and there were altogether 22 kinds.